In this video, I'll show you how to edit off an external hard drive in Final Cut Pro X. The external hard drive that I'm using is the 2TB SSD T7. I highly recommend this to edit off of. So in Final Cut, you want to go to File, New, and click on Library. I'll just name this T7. For location, you just put it on the T7, hit Save. So you're now editing off of the T7. Let's just make a new event, new project. Alright, so you have a file in here. Now if you eject the external hard drive, it's saying Final Cut Pro is using it. So if you remove the external hard drive, it no longer works on Final Cut. You can now move the external hard drive to any computer that has Final Cut you want and edit off of it. When you open up T7, you'll see that you have the library. You can now plug in an external hard drive. So you open up your other external hard drive, call it something like backup, and once you're finished with the project, you can move the finished library over to your backup hard drive. And once it finishes, you can now delete it off of your editing hard drive and start the next project. Cool thing you can also do is just simply rename these. So if you click enter, I can just name it editing, and then on the other one, enter, and just call it backup. And this helps to keep your hard drives organized. That's it for this video. I'll leave a link in the description below to both the external hard drives. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing, as it will help this channel to grow, and thank you for watching.